Cognition, a cornerstone of human experience, refers to the myriad processes involved in acquiring, processing, and applying knowledge. As a fundamental area of study within psychology and neuroscience, understanding cognition helps us make sense of how individuals interact with their environment, solve problems, make decisions, and even interpret their own existence. Over time, researchers have developed numerous theories to explain these cognitive processes. These theories not only illuminate the mechanics of thought and perception, but also highlight the diversity and complexity of human cognition. One of the earliest and most influential theories in cognitive psychology is Jean Piaget's theory of cognitive development. Piaget's work focused on how children construct their understanding of the world as they grow. He proposed that cognitive development occurs through a series of stages, each marked by distinct abilities. The sensory-motor stage, for example, is characterized by an infant's exploration of the world through their senses and actions. As they progress to the pre-operational stage, symbolic thought emerges, enabling language development and imaginative play. The concrete operational stage introduces logical reasoning, although this reasoning remains tied to tangible objects or events. Finally, the formal operational stage ushers in abstract thinking, allowing individuals to consider hypothetical scenarios and complex problems. Piaget's theory underscored the idea that cognitive development is not a mere accumulation of knowledge, but a transformative process shaped by interaction and adaptation. In contrast to Piaget's stage-based approach, Lev Vygotsky offered a socio-cultural perspective on cognition. Vygotsky emphasized the role of social interaction and cultural context in shaping cognitive processes. His concept of the zone of proximal development, for instance, highlights the difference between what a learner can do independently and what they can achieve with guidance. This idea underscores the importance of collaboration and scaffolding in learning, where more knowledgeable individuals provide support that helps learners bridge the gap between their current abilities and their potential. Vygotsky's work has had a profound impact on educational practices, encouraging environments that foster cooperative learning and recognize the influence of cultural tools, such as language, in cognitive development. The development of cognitive science also brought forth the information processing model, which draws parallels between the human mind and computer systems. According to this model, cognition involves encoding, storing, and retrieving information, much like a computer processes data. Researchers within this framework examine how individuals perceive stimuli, focus their attention, and commit information to memory. Key concepts such as working memory, long-term memory, and attention mechanisms have been central to this approach. For instance, Baddeley and Hitch's model of working memory highlights its role as a temporary workspace where information is actively manipulated. Their identification of components like the phonological loop and visuospatial sketchpad has expanded our understanding of how the brain handles simultaneous tasks. Another significant theory is Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences, which challenges the traditional view of intelligence as a singular, measurable entity. Gardner proposed that intelligence is multifaceted, encompassing a variety of domains such as linguistic, logical, mathematical, musical, spatial, bodily kinesthetic, interpersonal, intrapersonal, and naturalistic intelligences. This theory emphasizes that cognitive abilities are diverse and context-dependent. For example, an individual with high musical intelligence may excel in composing or interpreting melodies, while someone with strong interpersonal intelligence may thrive in roles that require empathy and collaboration. Gardner's work has encouraged educators to adopt more holistic approaches, recognizing and nurturing the unique strengths of each learner. Dual process theories, such as the one proposed by Daniel Kahneman, offer insights into the interplay between automatic and deliberate cognitive processes. Kahneman's distinction between System 1 and System 2 thinking has gained widespread recognition. System 1 represents fast, intuitive, and often subconscious thought processes, which are efficient but prone to biases and errors. In contrast, System 2 involves slow, analytical, and effortful reasoning, allowing for greater accuracy and rationality. Understanding these systems sheds light on phenomena such as decision-making, problem-solving, and even susceptibility to cognitive biases. For instance, while System 1 might lead to quick judgments based on gut feelings, System 2 can intervene to evaluate and revise those judgments when necessary. The theory of constructivism, rooted in the works of scholars like John Dewey and Jerome Bruner, also plays a crucial role in understanding cognition. Constructivism posits that individuals construct their knowledge through experiences and interactions, actively shaping their understanding of the world. Bruner, in particular, emphasized the importance of discovery learning, where learners engage with materials and concepts to build their own insights. This approach highlights the dynamic nature of cognition as it evolves through exploration, reflection, and adaptation. Constructivism has had a lasting impact on education, advocating for learning environments that encourage curiosity, inquiry, and active participation. In the realm of memory, the levels of processing theory proposed by Fergus Craik and Robert Lockhart provides a nuanced perspective on how information is encoded. According to this theory, the depth at which information is processed determines its likelihood of being remembered. Shallow processing, which involves surface-level analysis, such as recognizing the appearance of words, results in weaker memory traces. In contrast, deep processing, which entails semantic analysis and meaningful connections, leads to stronger and more durable memories. This theory underscores the importance of engaging with information in meaningful ways, whether through elaboration, organization, or contextualization. Advances in neuroscience have further enriched our understanding of cognition, introducing concepts like embodied cognition. This theory challenges the traditional view of cognition as solely a brain-centered process, emphasizing the interplay between the mind, body, and environment. Embodied cognition suggests that cognitive processes are influenced by physical actions and sensory experiences. For example, studies have shown that gestures can enhance problem-solving and memory, while physical interactions with objects can shape perceptions and decisions. This perspective highlights the holistic nature of cognition, where the boundaries between mental and physical processes blur. Despite the diversity of these theories, they collectively underscore the complexity and richness of human cognition. Each theory offers unique insights into the mechanisms of thought, learning, and perception, shedding light on the interplay between internal processes and external influences. As research continues to evolve, our understanding of cognition expands, opening new avenues for addressing challenges in education, mental health, artificial intelligence, and beyond. The study of cognition remains a dynamic and interdisciplinary endeavor, bridging psychology, neuroscience, philosophy, and other fields to unravel the mysteries of the human mind.